Today I'm gonna share this awesome slime, and it's very stretchy, and I like purple. You see, it's purple. So let's open it. It's hard to open. I think I got it now. Let's get it now. Look at this slime. Stupid. Oh! Oh my gosh! Jelly, 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 jelly. Oh, I'm taking this baby out. Oh my gosh. Look, it's so stretchy and it can't even break. Ugh. It looks like a bubble. Love her. Whoa, no, I love her. Boom, 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 snap a boom, boom, boom. Look at this bracelet. This was so fun making these slime thing mustache. Bye bye guys, subscribe. Skipping rope. Skipping rope. Oh, it's stuck. This is not a good idea, so don't do it.